The family members of Kilmar Abrego Garcia left a Nashville court after his hearing on Friday on alleged activities of smuggling migrants into the United States. Judge Barbara Holmes said she would rule at a later date on Abrego Garcia's bid to be released on bail pending trial. Abrego Garcia, who is a Salvadoran national, had earlier pleaded not guilty to the charge. Before the hearing, the family said Abrego Garcia should be allowed to return home to be with the family.
Kilmar was taken on March 12th, and it was not until yesterday that I was able to visit him for the first time. Even though it was through a video screen, I was finally able to see Kilmar. We should be with our children. Me and Kilmar's mind is here in Tennessee, but my heart is in Maryland with my kids. Our son, Kilmar Jr., is right now in his kindergarten graduation that's taking place right now. And instead, my son is alone on his big day.
Abrego Garcia, who is at the center of protests against the U.S. administration's immigration and customs enforcement policies, was wrongfully deported to El Salvador in March due to an administrative error. But the administration claimed that Abrego Garcia went into the U.S. illegally and was a member of the MS-13 gang, saying that they would not bring him back. Earlier this month, the Justice Department brought the 30-year-old back to face his charges in court, with President Donald Trump defending the deportation and decision for his return.
DOJ made a decision. I think the decisions have been very, very good. And maybe they just said, look, all of these people, these judges, they want to try and run the country. The judges are a local judge trying to run the country. The man has a horrible past. And I could see a decision being made. Bring him back, show everybody how horrible this guy is.
Abrego Garcia had been taken into custody in the El Salvador prison, and after receiving the request for his return to the U.S., El Salvador President Nayib Bukele said he would not refuse such a request. The U.S. administration's decision to bring Abrego Garcia back is a potential off-ramp from its escalating confrontation with the judiciary over whether it complied with a court order to facilitate Abrego's return.